Yabona Orlando Pirates la. Iphethe star. You see this player? This player is a star. This player. He's a young 19-year-old center back edlalela Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates isathana kumpromoter from their DDC side, Umbekezeli Mpokazi. Yabo. So la ngizokhuluma uMbekezeli Mpokazi bafethu. You see ama-fans asinawo kwe-Betway Premiership, they love idisk. Yabo, they love idisk. And when I see abafana abancane beshayina kanje. When I see abafana abancane beshayina kanje kuyangijabulisa. Yabo, kuyangijabulisa. But ke at some point ama-fans abuya be-toxic towards ama-players adlala kwe-Betway Premiership. And that toxic babuye bayifake nasey'ntwaneni. I-toxic yabo bayispreada nakuy'ntwana, yabo. Baqamba amagama abhedayo for iy'ntwana, babiza iy'ntwana amagama fethu, iy'ntwana mayingadlali kahle bayithuka iy'ntwana, and leyo nto ayikho mnandi bafethu. There was a point where I saw uMfukeng engadlali kahle, yabo. There was a point where I saw uMfukeng engadlali kahle, and there were lots of fans saying uMfukeng iyabheda indlela adlala ngayo, kumele ayeke, yabo, kumele ashintshe indlela yokudlala, not ayeke per se, but kumele ashintshe indlela yokudlala. And I was like, bafethu, umfana omncane lo mfana lo irresponsibility anayo right now is to play like Abo Saleng, to play like Abo Lodge. You see, mukhumbula kahle uLodge wahamba ku-Orlando Pirates, kwasala bani uSaleng, waba i-star player uSaleng. uSaleng ke wenza iy'nkinga zakhe this season. Ubani odlalela mnandi uMfukeng, because uMfukeng uyena bekumele abe i-star player because izinto asesikhombise zona, izinto asesenzele zona last season sayibona nje i-Nedbank Cup because of uMfukeng, yabo. So kule season uMfukeng ube yi-star player se-team, and uma engadlali kahle ama-fans amaningi abambhesha, like nginga-understand ngempela usikahle kahle kwenze njani. But ngiyayiqhenya labafana abancane because abayithathi i-criticism bayifake ekhanda, yabo. Abayithathi i-criticism bayifake ekhanda, yabo, badlala umsangano kakhulu. No, these players bayimisela game in game out, week in week out, bayaphokophela futhi bayaphambili. Mase ngibheka iy'ntwana ze-Kaizer Chiefs, angifuni ukushaya i-comparison labafethu. Kaizer Chiefs have one of the best DDC talent ever. Sebeproduce abadlali abaningi. Most players we see kwi-Betway Premiership baqhamuka kwi-DDC side ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Iqiniso nje lelo limsulu. But ke mengibheka abadlali abapromothwe yi-Kaizer, abadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs right now, abanye babo balithola ithuba lokuthi badlale. We saw Wandile Duba izolo escore. That guy can play. Vilakazi, he doesn't get enough minutes. That guy can play. Samkelo Zwane, he doesn't get enough minutes too. But uma edlala, he makes some mistakes, and ama-fans criticizer every time njalo. Samkelo Zwane uhleze nebhadi. Mduduzi Shabalala is another player othola a-criticism from i-fan base yakhe. And lonto ihlezi ngicabanga ukuthi why aba-fans amadala engafuni ukweseka iy'ntwana. Iy'ntwana phela ngeke ungafundi emaphutheni akho, yabo. Abantu basafika. Nga-understand mhlawumbe ukuthi ucriticize umuntu omdala, umuntu onjengoranga Chivaviro. Chivaviro have seen a lot, yabo. Chivaviro omdala, he have seen a lot, he has done a lot, yabo. He has played in one of the highest competitions like Africa. So nga-understand uma wase ugxeke uranga Chivaviro, mhlawumbe ugxeke mhlawumbe oSirino, ugxeke abo Mayela, ugxeke yabo, abadlali abanjalo, abadlali nje asebekuleli zinga eliphezulu, yabo. Ugxeke abo Dion Holt, abadlali abakanjalo. Mama uzogxeka iy'ntwana fethu angimele usiyifakele i-pressure eningi. Iy'ntwana zisayifunda ukuthi zizowubani kwi-Betway Premiership, even though they play for big teams, even though they play for Orlando Pirates, even though they play for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Iy'ntwana yisayifunda. Yekelani ukugxeka iy'ntwana. I've seen some Kaizer Chiefs fans saying their DDC pro adlala kwi-first team kumele bawalone, yabo. Bawalone athi uyothola ama-minutes adlale kahle lapha, yabo. Ahambe nje wonke. Samkelo Zwane, uDuba, uVilakazi, uShabalala. And lonto iyabheda bafethu, yabo. Iyabheda ngempela. Musana ukufakela i-pressure intwana. Umbekele Mpokazi kumele a-protect. Mina-ke ngizoba umuntu wokuqala ozomprotect. Uma ezowenza i-mistake nje uMpokazi, ngizosho ukuthi bafethu wonke umuntu uyawenza amaphutha. musani ukugxeka quick. Everyone makes mistakes. Ayikho umuntu perfect. Ngiyazi akakayenzi imistake uMbokazi. Akayenzi imistake uMbokazi. But once wenza imistake, I'll be the first person to defend uMbokazi. Namhlanje ngiyasiphamisa isandla. I'll be the first person to defend uMbokazi because he's a young defender. Do you know how hard it is to be a young defender and to play like Umbekezeli Mbokazi? Do you know how hard that is to defend opposing players to score on your goal? Do you know how hard that is? And this guy, he is proving to be one of the best young defenders right now in the Betway Premiership. Indlela adlala ngakhona. Yabo. So when he makes a mistake, I'll be the first person to say, no man, this guy is a young lad. Cut him some slack. Yabo. Because he has been performing very well. Nomthatha mistake or day one. Yabo. Every player unawo lawo off or off form, yabo, udlala ube off form ungabe in form, yabo. Izinto ezikanje ijwayele ukwenzeka mfethu, yabo. So phumani intwaneni, musana ugxeka intwana kakhulu, zisupporteni intwana. Ngibona intwana yakho ukuthi iyabheda idlalela team yakho, support intwana mfethu, uyifake imoral uthi no man, push uzogcina usufikile la okumele ufike khona, yabo.